Dust motes dancing in a shaft of fading light. I trace a map of shadows from a long forgotten night. There's a gate half hidden by ivy old and green, leading to a silence where magic might have been. I hear a faint music from a fountain long run dry, a melody remembered beneath the distant sky. Oh, the whispering bloom in a garden lost to years, where youthful laughter lingers and dissolves all childish fears. Every petal holding a secret I once knew, a fragile quiet